Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to potentially fix thermal throttling issues on nvidia graphics cards, specifically in laptops. So I have a 1050 Ti in my laptop and it doesn't have the best cooling solution, so sometimes it gets pretty toasty. And before I did this quick fix, or I found it on the internet, um, it it would get up to close to it would get up to 90 or 91 degrees Celsius, which is way too hot. And if it gets any hotter than that, it'll pretty much just blue screen and shut down. So this tutorial is how to potentially fix that problem, and it fixed it for me. I got around 5 to 10 degrees Celsius cooler, more on the 10 side. So, for instance, I would play The Witcher 3, and it's a 1050 Ti, so it pings out the graphics card to 100 or 99% the entire time, and from it doing that, it would get up to 90 degrees. And after this quick little fix, I saw it maybe got up to 80. So this is what you do. So first of all, everyone who has an nvidia graphics card has the nvidia control panel, and to get to that, you right click and then you click on nvidia control panel. It's just that simple. Alright, wait for it to load. Okay, first of all, you want to make sure you're in the manage 3D settings and then in global settings, because you want it to do this across all of your games and everything. So then you scroll down and you want to look for power management mode. So then you click on that and then you click this arrow right here. And see, I have mine set to adaptive, and that's just for the purpose of this video, to show everything. So you want to set it to optimal power. What this is going to do is it's going to limit the amount of power going to your graphics card without sacrificing too much performance. And then you click apply. Alright, and then you might want to restart your computer after this, but you don't have to. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time, and I hope this helped you. Goodbye.